So, hello students. In this lecture, we are going to look into the simple binary tree program. So, as you all know that, so I use NetBeans IDE, which is not the latest version. To create a simple binary tree, so how I designed the program is, so I have divided it into three steps. Okay, the first is the node class. So since you all know that a binary tree is a kind of tree which contains at most two nodes, two child nodes. So for that purpose, we need a node class to create node here, and then we have the actual binary tree class here. It's actual binary tree class here. The construction of the binary tree, or the initialization of the nodes, and the construction of the binary tree carries on in this create binary tree method here. So which is so all those things are kept inside this binary tree class, and we have our the name of the project here is the simple binary tree. So for this reason, so I just kept a main class inside that simple binary tree class here. Okay, so the reason for dividing into three different classes is in order to avoid the confusion of writing everything in a single class and keeping the program as clean as possible. So for this purpose, I have divided into three classes here. So the first, as you all know that the node class contains three main data properties, three properties. The first one is the char value to store the actual value, and the left and right child. Okay, since the tree has left child and right child. So for this purpose, whenever you are creating a node here, with the help of the constructor, so we're trying to initialize the value here, the actual root node. So totally we have the five different nodes here, out of which one of them is a root node here. The root node consists of the value d. So whenever you're creating initializing the node class with the root as an object, the node gets created and the value d gets inserted in this value position here. So for this reason, we have taken three different properties here. So first, we what we did is so this is very obvious here, very clear. The node class just for creating the node and a constructor to just initialize the node values, which is most of the time every node consists of three sections, which is the data section or the value. We call it as value here, and the right and left children to handle the left subtree and the right subtree here. And also in the binary tree class, we have created, our intention is to build a binary tree of five different nodes here. So for this reason, I have taken five nodes, out of them, which one of them is root here, rest of the nodes follow here. So, and then we have the create binary tree method here. So here we have, I haven't used any loop here, just for this reason I have kept the name or the project as simple binary tree. So my intention is to just use the statements, so different statements to create the tree. For example, the node 2 becomes a left child of the root, and likewise the right child of the root becomes node 3, and node 4 becomes the left of node 2. Okay, and the value of node 4 will be obviously 4 here. So that is the main thing here. Just nothing fancy happens in this program. Just a tree will be created. So if I execute the program, so in the NetBeans, so nothing more than a message comes here. So the actual, if you want to look into the data, the whatever we have inserted, there is another which we will do in the next tutorial, which is a traversal. The traversal in a binary tree is nothing but visiting all the nodes so that the data, whatever the data you are storing in the tree gets printed. There are three kinds of traversals: in-order traversal, pre-order traversal, and post-order traversal. So which we look into the next program. So hope you understood and try to subscribe. And if you have any comments, doubts, you can put in the comment section here. So we'll continue in the next class. Thank you.